Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to work in lesson 2, okay, from unit 9, okay? You have a chart. Chart is about grammar, comparison with as. You use the comparison with as when you express similarity, okay? Similarity. Use as with an adjective to indicate how two things are equal or the same. Use the adverb just for emphasis. For example, the new speakers are as good as the old ones. The friend tablet is just as nice as the F40. Remember, when you use as in the comparative, the adjective doesn't change, okay? Doesn't change. For example, use the adverb almost in affirmative statement to indicate that two things are very similar but not exactly the same. The Zeta-B is almost as fast as the Panasonic, okay? But when you want to express difference, you use not as to indicate how two things are different. Use not quite when the difference is very small. Use not nearly to indicate that there is a big difference. Our new printer isn't as noisy as the old one. The G4 isn't quite as expensive as the Z90. The Panasonic isn't nearly as affordable as the Zeta-B. You can use shortened statement with as when the meaning is clear. For example, the old monitor was great, but the new one is just as good. Okay, have you seen Carl's new laptop? My laptop isn't as nice. It's as nice as his laptop. And you have then a grammar practice. In this grammar practice, read each statement about a product, write a sentence with as, and the cue to compare two products. For example, number 1, the new Shan keyboard is popular. The one from Digitech is popular too. And you use just. How? The new Shine keyboard is just as popular as the one from Digitech. Okay, you need to use just before the comparative as. Okay, and try to do other sentences that you have here. For example, in exercise B, one separate sheet of paper, write 5 statements comparing things you are familiar with. Use as. Example, in my opinion, the Mardino Sports car isn't nearly as good as the Strega. I want that you do only one, okay, not 5. Only one is okay. So, in the other page, you have the pronunciation, okay? Stress in as. For example, the new printer is as slow as the old one. My old smartphone is just as small as the new one. Number 3. The X12 mouse isn't nearly as nice as the X30. The M200 keyboard isn't quite as cheap as the Z6. Read the statements you wrote in exercise B on page 102 aloud, paying attention to stress. Then you have the conversation model, okay? And I want that you do, now you can. And in this exercise, I put the conversation activator, okay? Only you need to listen and to change the conversation, okay? And this is for today. Any doubt that you have, you put on chat and we'll see, okay? Bye.